Next, let's talk hockey now. The women's hockey team's campaign at the Rio Olympics came to an end yesterday with a 5-0 defeat at the hands of Argentina. The Indian Eves were comprehensively outplayed by the London 2012 silver medalists, especially in the second quarter where Argentina scored all 5 of their goals. That result means India finished bottom of Group B with 4 defeats and a draw from their 5 games. This, remember, was the team's first appearance at the Olympics in 36 years. But it's a big for the Indian men's hockey team. The most successful nation in the history of the Olympic Games makes a return to the knockout stages after 36 long years. The Indian team, led by PR Srijesh, take on Belgium in the first quarter final of the Rio men's hockey competition. Roland Oltmann's side finished 4th in Pool B with 2 wins, 2 defeats and a draw in their 5 games. The draw in that final game against Canada entered a 3rd place finish, but there's still been many positives to take into the knockout rounds. And those are the positives that we should talk about right at the top. Michael Nobbs, lots of good performances in the group stages. A couple of results, tight matches not going our way. What's the mentality going to be like, squad, heading into this big and difficult match against Belgium?
It's going to be exciting. I imagine they're going to be scared. I imagine they're going to be can't wait to get out there and play. Their performances have been, I thought, overall excellent, and it has shown that they are as good as all the rest of the teams. There's been no team that has stood out in my mind that's absolutely exceptional. Really good. The Belgium team is coached by a chap called Shane McLeod, who used to coach the New Zealand national team, and later on today we'll go through what I know Belgium will play like. So, but India stands a really good chance, but it's going to be an incredibly tough game. You know, you don't play a quarter final and expect it to be easy and a rollout. It's going to be incredibly tough. And I'm going to be playing it hot. So I hope India wins.
सुशील, आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे, भारतीय हॉकी का एक रोमांस है जो ओलंपिक्स में जब अभी हम आते हैं, 8 गोल्ड मेडल, 11 मेडल 12 ओलंपिक्स में, बहुत साल बाद भारतीय हॉकी टीम यहां पहुंची और आज यही बात हो रही थी यहां पे कि जिस तरह का एक ओलंपिक्स हुआ है, चौथे विनर आए और बाकी कोई आसपास नहीं आए हैं, कि अगर हॉकी ने एक मेडल जीत लिया यहाँ पे तो बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात होगी और ये वो एक मेडल इस ओलंपिक्स को एक सक्सेस बना सकता है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल दिग्गी, ये कह सकते हैं हम, क्योंकि हॉकी बड़ा अच्छा प्रदर्शन भी कर रही है और हॉकी से हमें जब भी कोई ओलंपिक स्टार्ट होता है तो हमारी उम्मीदें ऑलरेडी होती हैं उनसे कि अब की बार हॉकी अच्छा करेगी, मगर रियो में पूरी टीम बड़ा अच्छा कर रही है। श्रीजेश के नेतृत्व में बड़ा अच्छा सभी लोग कॉम्बिनेशन से खेल रहे हैं और ये नहीं कि वर्ल्ड की चाहे कोई भी एक टीम हो तो वो ये नहीं कि भाई वो जो पहले वाला प्रदर्शन है वो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, मगर मैं कहूँगा कि हमारा बड़ा अच्छा मौका है, बड़ा टाइम है, सभी खिलाड़ी जी जान लगाकर बस ये मैच खेलें और हमें विन करें और हम मेडल में घुसते हैं तो ये मानो कि हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ी बात होगी।
Michael Nobbs, there was a bit of an injury concern in the last match. SV Sunil was stretchered off. How crucial is he to the team? Because we're not sure whether he's fit enough to play in the quarterfinal today. He's captain of this new side and a lot of our attacking players come through him. So, you know, how much are we going to miss him in case he doesn't make it?
Well, I think he'll play. I saw a Facebook post by Dr. Batra to say that he'll be playing. And how important is he? Well, he's one of the fastest players in the world. You give him the ball and he can leave players behind. So he creates apprehension in the other teams, where them to back off a little bit and be a bit more defensive, which gives us more room tactically in the game. So he's really, really important. He creates a lot of damage. So hopefully Dr. Batra's post is accurate that he's going to play. I think he's critical.
One final word from you, Michael, before we wrap up this chat. The Indian side has been described as error-prone by a lot of people, just based on performances in the group stages, a lot of late goals conceded. So what's that one thing, you know, that the coach would have told the boys that this is the mistake that you cannot afford to make in the quarterfinals.
Look, it's interesting looking at the stats. I don't think they're as error prone as what people are saying, because the stats don't bear that out either, because the other teams are roughly equal as well. I think if one thing, make sure that they don't give away silly cards. That's one of the critical things, because that seems to have been, if they give away cards, they give away possession, and then they seem to give away goals. I think that's really critical, but I can guarantee you that the Belgium team will be targeting a few players to make them play slightly more aggressively. So like players like Ragu, he's got to be absolutely careful that he doesn't give away a silly card.
Right, so Michael Nobbs there breaking down that match for us. He'll be doing it in a little more detail as the day goes on. We're going to get him on our fancy touchscreen and get him to talk strategy a little bit later on in the day. So we're looking forward to that. Now there's another thing that